welcome back to this special edition of Montana Monday. My name is Courtney, but you probably know me better as the Flipping Nomad. I flip RVs. I have 2 Montana fifth wheels under construction right now, which is what this special series is documenting. They've both made a lot of fun progress since last time you saw them, and I'm so excited to show you. Well, I'm very excited to share that my Montana is finally move-in ready. Holy cow, what a process it's been from getting it home in its original factory interior to transforming it into this bright and beautiful modern home. Not only do I design the spaces, but I also build them. So I'm the one behind the saws and the power tools in figuring out how to retrofit residential pieces to be RV worthy, like I had to do with this residential stove and the residential dishwasher. I pour so much of my heart and soul into each one of these builds, but this one's a little extra special with it being my personal home. I'm in the middle of rebuilding the shower in the bunkhouse right now. Since the next family has 2 little kiddos, we opted to reuse the shower pan that was already here because it has a cute little bathtub in it. So we just resurfaced it to give it an update. I went with a foam curdy board backer with an additional layer of RedGuard waterproofing for the walls. In addition to this, the tiles that I'm using interlock so they are waterproof themselves. So I'm kind of tripling up on the waterproofing, but this is the kind of stuff that helps me sleep well at night. Now in the kitchen, I've gotten all of the frames built in preparation for the countertops. And if you remember in my Montana, I had a waterfall edge on the side of it, so that's where the countertop runs down to the floor. We're doing that in here as well, but there's a cutout for the dishwasher. It's going to be a really unique feature, and I'm so excited to watch it come to life. One thing that was really important to this family was having enough storage, which is completely understandable. You know, a family of 4 that's brand new to tiny living, it can be a little bit overwhelming. So there used to be a coat closet right here by the front door, so we changed that into a little pantry. We added a ton of storage without taking up any floor space. It's a total win-win. Now, if you think you won Amazon Prime Day, you were wrong. I did. Who knew that you could buy an entire RV interior online, right? It's just some assembly required. Be sure you check back next week for even more fun progress updates of these 2 Montanas during this special series of Montana Monday.